Techniques to lift the chin and reduce necklines. Use our index and ring fingers to gently flick on the chin. Next, hook the jawline with 4 fingers. Right at both sides of the chin. Hook and lift the jawline upwards. Then alternate hands. Lift backwards using body strength. Good. Cross your hands. Lift upwards like this. This technique helps reduce necklines. Soothe after lifting. Next, clamp the jawline with the knuckles of the index and middle fingers. Use body strength. Pull to the position near the ear. Apply pressure with the knuckles downwards. No pressure when moving upwards. Then circle upwards on the cheeks. Similarly, apply pressure with the knuckles upwards, not downwards. Circle on the cheeks for lifting. Strengthen with the index finger at the philtrum and Chengjang acupoints. Finally, continue circling upwards on the cheeks.